In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order a custom PNC debit card. If you're looking to add a personal touch to your debit card, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right in and make your financial tool truly your own. The first step in our journey is to log into PNC Online Banking. Go ahead and open your web browser and navigate to www.pnc.com. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of the homepage and you'll find the Sign On button. Click that and you'll be prompted to enter your user ID and password. Make sure to have those handy to quickly gain access to your account. Once you're in, the next thing you'll want to do is access the Card Design Studio. This is where all the magic happens, allowing you to customize your debit card's appearance in a way that reflects your unique personality or interests. PNC offers a user-friendly interface to make selecting and designing your card as seamless as possible. When you're in the Card Design Studio, you'll have a couple of choices before you. You can opt to upload your own image. This is a fantastic way to express yourself, but remember to follow the guidelines. The image needs to meet PNC standards, meaning no logos, trademarks, or inappropriate content. If you've got your favorite photo ready, this option allows you a lot of creative freedom. Alternatively, you might choose from PNC's gallery of pre-approved designs. Perhaps you're someone who loves nature, or you're a sports enthusiast. There's likely something that resonates with you among the landscapes, sports themes, and other categories available. With these pre-approved designs, you can be sure they meet all guidelines and are ready to adorn your card. After traveling through those creative choices, you'll move on to submitting and confirming your custom card. Take a moment to preview your card with your selected design to ensure it looks just right. Once you're satisfied, simply confirm your selection and submit your order. You'll receive a confirmation that your order is in process. Keep an eye on your mailbox, as your newly designed card should arrive within 5 to 7 business days. Just like that, you've personalized your PNC debit card, making it more than just a financial tool. It's now a reflection of you. Remember, customizing a debit card is a convenient and fun way to ensure that even the most everyday objects speak to your individual style and preferences. Thanks for joining us today in customizing your PNC debit card. We hope you found this guide helpful and that it inspires you to add that personal touch to your daily transactions.